Littles, you wanna go hang some feeders? You wanna go outside? Uh-oh. Got some customers I'm gonna disturb, but I need to go put another feeder out. There's a female cardinal. Alright, I've got to go out. Come on, Littles. I spoke the birds. Come on. I've already filled those. My scarlet sage is still blooming. Look at my bee balm. It finally started to bloom. I hope all that blooms. That's cardinal creepers. Littles. What are you doing, Littles? I just hung that feeder. Come on. See the crepe myrtle? Antloop's full. That's a pretty crepe myrtle right there. Some morning glories I've got growing over here. Some pretty flowers too. I say the hummingbirds like that. Look how tall that morning glory has gotten. I planted them around this tree, old tree. Some kind of little flower. Look at that crepe myrtle. That's pretty colored, purple. Little's out here enjoying it. It feels pretty good today, y'all. I think that's why the hummingbirds like it so much around here. Had a lot of gnats and crepe myrtles and wildflowers, plus I plant flowers too. Come on, Littles. Here's another little small one. They grow everywhere. Come on. I gotta watch for holes though. Break my ankle. Yeah, that's an eyesore now. I hate I can't mow the grass when I want to. Come on, Littles. I ain't even checked on these morning glories over here in a long time. Littles, watch out that big anthill. You got crepe myrtles too over there. Yeah, some of these didn't do so good out in the sun. We had a lot of dry weather. Here's the lug nut off that fire truck that come over and put the building out. I found it in the yard. Hey, that thing is finally blooming. I might transplant that thing. That's my burn pile right there. Here's one of the petals, one of the blooms or berries. I don't know what they are. Huh. I think somebody's told me in chat before, but I hear hummingbirds chirping. Littles, let's go back in the house before you get a tick on you out here in this tall grass. All right, y'all. I thought I'd walk around the yard for a minute. Hang some bird feeders. I'll talk to y'all later. Bye.